me introduce myself. My name is Citra. I am studying at SMPN 3 Cilenyi Suprayon 5. On this occasion, I will bring the story Rino Best Friend. Enjoy watching! Rino Best Friend. One day, a flock of vultures lands on grassland looking for food. Suddenly, a fierce voice from nearby warns, "Beware from here, you dirty birds! Beware, for you do not know how powerful I am!" The vultures raise their heads, and there stands a rhinoceros. One of them bravely asks, "Rhino, why are you so impolite to us? As for those little birds on your back, why don't you beg? Why don't you seem to avoid them? You seem happy to have them scratching and pecking on your back." "They are my good friends. They helpful," answered the rhinoceros. "They help to catch those little bugs living on my body." The bird says, "You are right. We are good friends of the rhino." One of vultures say, "You are really lucky, guys. It is wrong to say so." Besides helping, the rhino remove little bug from his body. The vulture says, "How else can such little birds like you help the rhino?" We will give the signal to the rhino when we his enemy nearby. Say the woodpecker then. Afterwards, another woodpecker says, "When an enemy quietly comes closer, we will spot it first since we are at higher place." The vultures nod and say, "It looks as if you and the rhino depend on each other too." No wonder the rhino doesn't chase you away, but treats you as his good friends instead. That's all my video. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.